Arabic language, a treasure worth learning. Arabic is one of the oldest, most beautiful and complex languages in the world. With over 400 million speakers, it's the fifth most spoken language globally and the official language of more than 20 countries. Whether you're learning it for cultural connection, travel, religious or professional reasons, Arabic opens the doors to a world rich in history, poetry, hospitality and deep thinking. But how can you approach a language with such power and uniqueness? Let's break it down and explore. Why learn Arabic? Cultural richness. Arabic is the language of some of the world's greatest literary works, music and cinema. Career advantage. Mastering Arabic gives you an edge in fields like international business, diplomacy, journalism, and humanitarian work. Religious significance. For Muslims, Arabic is the language of the Quran and daily prayers. Mental growth. Learning Arabic stimulates your brain in a unique and exciting way due to its distinct letters and structure. Best ways to learn Arabic. Immerse yourself in Arabic media. Watch Arabic TV shows, YouTube channels, and movies with subtitles. Listen to podcasts. This helps you grasp pronunciation, rhythm, and culture. 2. Read daily Arabic script may seem difficult at first, but it becomes easier with practice. Start with children's books, short stories, or comics. 3. Speak without fear. The biggest barrier to learning is the fear of making mistakes. Fluency doesn't come from perfection, but from practice. 4. Use smart language apps. Modern problems need modern solutions. Use mobile apps that turn learning into a fun game. 5. Write to remember. Keep a journal where you write in Arabic or post comments and captions in Arabic on social media. A great way to build vocabulary and boost confidence. Tip: try writing 2 to 3 sentences a day about your routine or thoughts. 6. Enroll in online courses. Sign up for structured lessons to get professional guidance. 7. Connect learning to your personal interests. Love football? Watch matches with Arabic commentary. Love cooking? Try Arabic recipes. Learning is much easier when you link it to your hobbies. Final thoughts. Arabic is more than just a language. It's your gateway to understanding a rich and diverse world. With consistent effort and the right tools, you can make great progress and enjoy every step of the learning journey.